If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your YouTube TV subscription, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscription settings. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Membership. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Membership option. This section will show you current subscription details and renewal settings. Step 4. Manage auto-renewal. Look for the auto-renewal option within the Membership section. There should be a toggle button that allows you to turn off auto-renewal. Click on it to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After turning off auto-renewal, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure your subscription will not renew automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your YouTube TV subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to YouTube TV support.